everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your boat rental service business. So I own a boat rental service business and I receive a lot of inquiries by my customers on WhatsApp. And replying to all of them individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this bot, whenever I receive any of the messages by the customers on WhatsApp, automatically this bot that I've created is going to reply towards them. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a fully automated WhatsApp chatbot for your boat rental service business using Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this bot that I've created is going to run in real time. Okay, so this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message. So the WhatsApp message is going to be, hey, I want to know the prices. Okay, this is the message I have, the inquiry that I have, and towards this bot, I'm going to send this message. And within few seconds, you can see this bot has auto replied to me. It says, hello, welcome to Blue Wave Voyages, Unforgotten Sea Adventure begins. You can see right away it is asking for me to choose an option from the below. I'm going to select this option from here, and automatically as I've done that, you can see this bot has replied to me. Okay, and as I'm going to select any of the details from here, and automatically I'm going to receive all the replies in this manner. Okay, so this is how this bot is going to work in real time according to the customer's point of view. And in this video, we are going to learn how to create this bot step by step with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow on a new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So I'm going to browse the website, then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, we have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign in to your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Chatflow account directly. And you can see the All Pabbly Apps window next, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is an amazing tool that helps businesses to send and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. To set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, we need to click on this Add WhatsApp number, and there are two methods: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account with any of these methods and you want to learn it, the tutorials for both of them is added in the description box below. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features: inbox, contacts, team queues, template, broadcast flows, AI assistant, and settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn in brief about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out the videos that we have already attached in the description box below to learn the brief. Okay, in order to create a bot inside our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side, go to Flow and Flows section right over here. To create a bot, click on this Add Flow button on the top right corner, and you can see a new flow has been created. And firstly, I'm going to rename the flow right here. So this is the name of my flow: WhatsApp chatbot for your boat rental service business. After naming the flow, you can see it says flow start. How this flow, the bot that we are creating, is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. Firstly, we're going to discuss about keywords. So let's suppose you have added few keywords in this field, and any of your customers sends those keywords as a WhatsApp message, this flow is going to be triggered from here. Next is choose template. So let's suppose you've selected a template over here in this choose template field, and your customer sends a message towards those templates that you have forwarded as a broadcast message to all your contacts. Then this flow is going to be triggered from here. Next, we're going to talk about is regex. Regex is a short for regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. Over here for the regex, I have a special character. That character helps me to trigger this flow whenever I receive any of the messages from my customers. So I am going to enter that special character in this regex field right here. So this is that special character with the help of which this flow, the bot that I'm going to create, is going to trigger from each and every message that we receive from our customer. Okay. okay? If you want to use the special character regex over here in your flow as well, then you can check out the description in which I've added this character, okay? After setting up our flow start, what is the first message that should be forwarded towards my customer? For that, over here you can see I have forwarded a welcome message. You can see in this manner, and with that I have forwarded few of the options. For that, from this point, drag it and drop it in this field. Choose the content type as text plus button. Firstly, I'm going to write the message over here as, so this is the message that I have right here. Hello, welcome to Blue Wave Voyages, where unforgettable sea adventures begin. Over here, this is the welcome message, and with that, I want to provide few options. For adding the options, I'm going to add a button in this message. For that, click on this add button option. I want to add 3 options right here, so I'm going to add 3 buttons. In a message, you can add only maximum number of 3 buttons, okay? We need to now name all the 3 buttons over here, so I'm going to name all the buttons. So you can see I've named all the buttons: view available boats, check rental pricing, and make a booking, okay? So as I've added all the 3 buttons over here in this message, for view available boats, I want to send a message to my customer. If they select this button, I want to tell all the types of boats that we provide. So for that, I'm going to simply drag this point and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message for this button, view available boats, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I've written for view available boats. Here are our available boats. First is Blue Star, second is Sea Breeze, and over here this is Aqua Lux. Okay, you can see right over here, these are the 3 available boats that I have right over here, okay? So now I want to add buttons over here in this message for each of the type of boat that I provide, like the Blue Star, Sea Breeze, and the Aqua Lux, because I want to describe what we have over here in these categories. For that, I'm going to add 3 buttons over here in this message, and I'm going to rename all the buttons over here. So I've added these 3 buttons: Blue Star, Sea Breeze, and the Aqua Lux, okay? So now if the customer selects any of the buttons, they will receive the description of this type of boat that I provide, okay? So firstly, I'm going to write the message for this Blue Star right over here. Firstly, what I'm going to do is I want to send the image of this boat that I have. For that, I'm going to select my content type as media. Media type is going to be image. If you want to use video, audio, document, you can select it according to your requirement, okay? Media is going to be my image. You can either paste the URL of your media right over here or directly upload it from this button. Over here, this is the boat that I have for the Blue Star. So I'm going to open this image over here in this message, and within few seconds, the image is going to be uploaded, okay? So this is the image of Blue Star. Now I want to write the description of this boat as well. For that, I'm going to click on this add content button. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I have right here: Blue Star Speedboat, perfect for couples or small groups, capacity of 2 to 4 people. You can see I've written everything over here, the description, and also the rent per hour you can see right here. Lastly, it says ready to book. For ready to book, I want to add a button of book now. For over here in this main menu that I've added, I have entered a button of make a booking. So I'm going to copy the same name of the button from here and paste it over here for the ready to book button as well, okay? Using this button, they can make a booking for this boat that is Blue Star right here, okay? I'm going to write the message of make a booking later. Now after adding this message for this Blue Star over here, I'm going to in the similar manner add the message for the Sea Breeze and the Aqua Lux right here. So you can see right over here, I've added the message for the Sea Breeze, okay? So this is the Sea Breeze, you can see right over here. This is the message, and I've added the button of make a booking. Similarly, I've added it for the Aqua Lux, you can see right over here, and this is the button with this image right here, okay? So these are the 3 messages that is going to be forwarded for the 3 of these corresponding buttons I've added for the type of available boats that I have, okay? So now these are the messages that is going to be forwarded for the view available boats. Now with that, I have the second button, that is check rental pricing. For that, I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I have for the rental pricing. These are the pricing of the 3 available boats that I have. You can see right here. Includes fuel, captain, and life jackets. You can see right over here. This is the message I have for the check rental prices. Over here with this message, I also want to add a button of make a booking. So I'm going to add the button right over here of make a booking, okay? After adding this message for the check rental prices, now we have to add the message for this make a booking. For that, simply I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message over here for this make a booking, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message I have written for make a booking. Let's get your booking started. For booking, I have created a form using Google Forms with the help of which a customer can do their booking. Okay, so this is the form that I've created, and I've added the link of this form in this message right over here. You can see, we'll confirm your slot shortly after you submit it. Need help? Contact us. For contact us, I'm going to add a button of contact us right over here. So I'm going to name this button over here as contact us. And for the message of contact us, I want to send my customer my email address and my phone number. For that, simply I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message for this contact us, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message that I have for this contact us button. Our support team is here. This is the mobile number and the email address. Okay, so this is the message forwarded with this button, that is contact us. Now over here I want to add a button in this message right here, and I'm going to name the button over here as back to main menu. Using this button, the customer can go back to this main menu right here. So simply I'm going to connect this back to main menu button to this main menu right over here. Now over here for all these messages, I have added a button that is make a booking. You can see right here. Okay, I've added 4 make a booking buttons right here. So what message should be forwarded with this make a booking? The same message over here. So I'm going to connect all the buttons with this make a booking message with that form link right here. So as I've connected all the messages, firstly I'm going to rearrange this entire flow that I've created. So you can see right over here, this is the entire bot that I've created for my boat rental service business. In order to save this bot, I'm going to click on the save button on the top right corner right here. It says flow updated successfully. That means now this flow is successfully saved. To test this bot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this bot a WhatsApp message with my number. So this is the bot that I've created, and let's suppose to this bot I'm going to write a message as, hey, I want to view available boats. Okay, so I'm going to send this query towards this bot, and automatically within few seconds this bot is going to reply with me a welcome message, and I want to view available boats. So I'm going to select this option from here, and automatically I'm going to receive this reply. I want to see the aqualog, so I'm going to select this button, and you can see this bot is going to send me the message of the description of what type of boat it is, with that an image of that boat as well. And you can see in this manner this bot is going to automatically reply to all my messages right over here. Okay, so as this bot is auto replying, this means this bot that we have created is now successfully working using Pabbly Chatflow. And that's how you can create a smart interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your boat rental business using Pabbly Chatflow. Want to try it yourself? Get started by creating your own test bot using Pabbly Chatflow, because we provide you 100 free points every month. Okay, so go ahead, start and test your chatbot today itself with Pabbly Chatflow. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.